Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, let us see how to draw a funnel chart in Power BI. Okay, so I request you to please go through the videos whatever I have shared earlier on Power BI, so that you will get to know what are the different types of charts available in Power BI. And please also check in the comment section um, description where I have provided you the what explanation for the charts, okay, in Power BI. Just go through that, and please subscribe so that it will be able to it will be helpful for us to do more videos. Okay, now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Okay, so as we discussed, in order to prepare any funnel chart or any type of chart, we have to first um, get some data. Okay, in order to get some data, we have to go to this option wherein uh, go to home and then get the data. Okay, so here you will be able to see the type of data sources. Okay, almost like 100 plus data sources will be available. Let me click on this so that you will have some idea. Okay, these are the different types of data sources wherein you will be able to get the data from these sources. Okay, in Power BI you will be able to download all these datas. Okay, I mean get the datas within the visualization. Okay, these are different types of sources. Okay, as of now I'm just taking here Excel data. Okay, I already have it. Okay, let me show once again for you. Just a moment. Let me click on this get data. Okay, you will be able to see. Okay, as of now I'm just clicking on this Excel data, wherein it will be redirected to the path. Okay, wherever it was shown. Okay, let me go through that. Once you click on the save data, you will be able to get the table here. Okay, like orders. Okay, let me click on this. You'll be able to see the column names, whatever those are present. Okay, so let me take subcategory wise sales. Okay, so I'm selecting subcategory here and then sales. Okay, let me take a funnel chart, as it is a funnel chart. Okay, this is the type of chart you will be getting. The look and feel is not good, right? So in order to do some slicing and dicing part, now I am doing it here. Okay, let me put it a little short. Okay, let me do it by just dragging it. Okay, let me make it. Now you will be able to see a little bit good, right? So this is the funnel chart. Okay, wherein you will be able to see sales versus subcategory. Okay, subcategory wise sales. Okay, so let me do it some slicing and dicing part so that look and feel will be good. So let me go on to this visualization. Format your visual. Okay, go to general. Okay, let me change the title. Okay, um, sales by sales versus subcategory. Okay, let me put it in the middle. Okay, yeah. So let's change few of the effects. Okay, color could be black. Okay, it has been changed. The background has been changed. Okay, let me put it like this. If we put blue, it won't be visible, so let me put it as gray. Okay, gray color, or else you can also just put it white. Okay, so as earlier. So let me go here and change few other things. Okay, text color, it shows in black. Okay, let me put it as orange. Okay, let me go here and format visual. Okay, in order to do some formatting, it just go here. Let me change the default colors. Okay, the pass has been changed. Okay, let me click on this data labels so that you will be able to inside the center or outside the center, you can choose anything. Okay, so data value. Okay, you can change the data values also. Okay, background on. Okay, it will show up the values here. Okay, so This is the funnel chart. Okay, let me change these colors also. Category labels, give some color. Now it is looking good, right? So this is how you can create some funnel chart. Okay, now let me create sales wise. Okay, um, profit funnel chart. Okay, in order to do that you can just do as we discussed earlier. If you want to create another visual, it is very easy. Okay, for first one only we can do some slicing and dicing part, and it will be applicable by using format painter as in Excel. Okay, you already know, if you know Excel you will be able to know format painter. Okay, using format painter you can do the same dicing, slicing and dicing part here also. Okay, so let me do it. First of all you have to select this, then go to this format painter and just click on like this. Just a moment. Okay, so why you're not getting it here is we have to select other columns. Okay, let me do it by subcategory. Okay, it's a summation, right? So that was the reason it's not showing up here properly. So subcategory, let me take now as subcategory wise profit. Okay, so like this you can also do. Let me click on here. Okay, so let me change this one also for you. So let me change the title. Profit by subcategory. Okay, subcategory. Okay, the same visuals you will be able to get. Okay, but the values have been changed. Whatever the ask is, likewise you can also create multiple visuals. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, and request you to please go through all the charts whatever I have already shared. Okay, please go through them, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, that will be helpful for us. Okay, thank you, have a great day, bye bye.